to kiss you, and I lie awake and miss you. Pour me a heavy dose of atmosphere, 'cause I'll doze off safe and soundly, but I'll miss your arms around me. I send a postcard to you, dear, 'cause I wish you were here. I'll watch the night turn light blue, but it's not the same without you, because it takes two to whisper quietly. Silence isn't so bad till I look at my hands and feel sad, 'cause the spaces between my fingers are right where yours fit perfectly. And I'll find a pose in new ways, though I haven't slept in 2 days, 'cause cold nostalgia chills me to the bone. Drenched in vanilla twilight, I'll sit on the front porch all night, waist deep in thought, because when I think of you, I don't feel so alone. I don't feel so alone. I don't feel so alone. Many times as I blink, I'll think of you tonight. I'll think of you tonight. As violet eyes get brighter and heavy wings grow lighter, I'll taste the sky and feel right again. I'll forget the world that I knew, but I swear I won't forget you. And oh, if my voice could reach back through the past and whisper in your ear, oh darling, I wish you were here.